Let's go to question 3. Consider the quadratic function f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c. The graph of y equals f of x is shown in the diagram below. The vertex of the graph has coordinate r, m, -9. The graph intersects the x-axis at 2 points, P -4, 0 and Q 2, 0. So this is -4, 0. This is 2, 0. Find the value of m. For vertex R, the coordinate is m -9. According to the axis of symmetry, AOS, that is x equals h, or x equals -b over 2a, or you have x1 plus x2 over 2. For x1, x2, that's the roots. Or we have another way to figure out. If we have a horizontal line passing through this quadratic function at 2 points, let's label this is x3, this is x4. Then for the axis of symmetry, we can also write down x3 plus x4 over 2. For this problem, since this x1, x2 is given, this is your x1, this is your x2. Therefore, m equals -4 plus 2 over 2. You will get -1. For B, remember 2 points determine a linear function. 3 points will determine a quadratic function. We have these 3 points. That is -4, 0, 2, 0, and -1, -9. Let's draw this. X, Y, -4, 0, 2, 0, -1, -9. Go to stat to figure out this quadratic function. So go to stat, edit. You have -4, enter, 2, enter, -1, enter. For L2 will be y coordinate, 0, enter, 0, enter, -9, enter. Then go to stat, calculate. Go to quadratic regression, that's number 5, enter. Keep entering. Then you will get A equals 1, B equals 2, C equals -8. A equals 1, B equals 2, C equals -8. Let's go to 2 from question 3. Consider the quadratic function f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c. The graph of y equals f of x is shown in the diagram below. The vertex of the graph has coordinates 1.56. Let's label 1.56. The graph intersects the x-axis at 2 points, P -3, 0, Q, M, 0. A, find the value of M. This is the axis of symmetry. That is x equals 1.5. So we got to use midpoint formula to figure out this m. That will be 1.5 is a midpoint of -3 plus m over 2. Then multiply by 2 both sides. 1.5 times 2 is 3 equals -3 plus m. Then cross the river, change the sign. 3 plus 3 will be 6, so m equals 6. We get 6, 0. Let's go to B. Find the values of A, B, and C. We know 3 points determine a quadratic function. Now we already figure out these 3 points. Let's make a table x, y. -3, 0, 6, 0, 1.5, 6. So go to stat. You will get -3, enter, 6, enter, 1.5, enter, 0, enter, 0, enter, 6, enter. Then stat, calculate, press 5, enter. You can change all this into fraction. We will put -0.296, 296, 296. Just keep going, 296. Then go to math, enter, enter. You will get the fraction. For B, that is 0.888. Keep going. Then go to math, enter, enter. For C, that is 5.3. Keep going, this 3. Then math, enter, enter. You will get C. So we have, so write down by stat. Your A equals -8 over 27. B equals 8 over 9. C equals 16 over 3. Let's go to number 3 for question 3. Consider the quadratic function f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c. The graph for y equals f of x is shown in the diagram below. The vertex of the graph has coordinate 1.5, 6. So here is 1.5, 6. The graph intersects y equals -2. This is y equals -2 at 2 points. A is m -2. B is 4 -2. Find the value of m. Let's draw this axis of a symmetry line. That is 1.5 equals m plus 4 over 2. Multiply by 2 both sides. You will get 3 equals m plus 4. Then subtract 4 both sides. M equals -1. Then for the B, find the values of A, B, and C. We know 3 points will determine a quadratic function. We already have 3 points. -1, -2, 4, -2, 1.5, 6. Let's draw the table. X, Y. -1, -2, 4, -2, 1.56. Go to stat, enter. -1, enter. 4, enter. 1.5, enter. You will have -2, enter. -2, enter. 6, enter. Then go to stat, calculate. Go to 5, enter. You will get A is a -1.28, B is a 3.84, C equals a 3.12. You don't have to change this into fraction because this is a limited decimal, which is an accurate answer. A equals -1.28, B is 3.84, C is 3.12.